It's finally happening. I saw the first pleated skirt out in the wild in New York City, and that means spring is here! Woo! I am not going to gatekeep the it shoe of spring 2026, which is the Glove Ballet Flat. So chic. I really love the shape and design of this flat, but I do not love the leather sticking to my feet and making them all sweaty and causing zero arch support, so I'm swapping them out for the Margot 3.0. The shape stays, but the comfort is on another level with breathable material so your feet stay cool and tons of arch support. As a busy New Yorker, I find myself having to carry 2 to 3 pairs of shoes, no excuses. Cute little flats, work heels, sneakers, not anymore. Thanks to the Margot 3.0. They survive my 12,000 steps a day and feel like I'm walking on clouds. Now, if you've never heard of VIVAIA before, they are a very eco-friendly brand that uses recycled ocean plastic bottles to create shoe uppers. They're all about an elevated lifestyle that's sustainable and very comfortable. These shoes are truly stunning. The wide feet toe box lets your toes feel free while also slimming the foot and elongating the legs. It also feels like you're walking on clouds with the high rebound sneaker-like feel. There's even a cracked sole for more flexibility. And look at that beautiful heel pillow. So thankfully no more blisters. Another trend I've noticed, I've been seeing loafers everywhere, but I've also been avoiding them until now because VIVAIA has the icon loafer. It looks like a loafer, but it's 10 times more comfortable and looks slimming. I walk in these without feeling pressure because they are made from soft knit, super lightweight material. You don't need 3 different pairs of shoes, just one smart pair. They are the ultimate walking shoe when I'm traveling for work, great for a polished look during a client meeting, and a lovely addition to a sundress. If you've been looking for a chic, comfortable style without the pain, then you need to check these out. I will link the color below as well as the loafers, so let me know how it goes.